Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix music option not showing on Facebook story. If you're using Facebook and you're facing the issue that your music option is not showing to your Facebook story, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. That might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your app store, go for search, simply search for Facebook, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Facebook app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you just have to go back from here and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you can try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly personalize your volume up, then volume down, press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly personalize your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to try to search for Google is Facebook story music option is available in your country or region or not. If it's not available, so you cannot fix that. Or if you want to use, so you have to try to change your country or region settings for your iPhone, or you can use a VPN for this purpose. Or if it's available but you're still facing the same issue, open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Facebook app here, and you have to try to offload your app. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your Facebook app, it will be fixing the steps. So you have to simply offload your app. After offloading, you have to reinstall the app on your iPhone or any Android, or in any Android phone. You can also try to clear cache, but it's much better. You have to uninstall the app and reinstall it, and then re-log in your account, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.